In today's video, I will walk you through how to manage Claude AI privacy settings. Start by opening your browser and searching for Claude AI. When the search results appear, look for the official site. Check that the URL and padlock icon indicate a secure connection. Then click the correct link to open the homepage. Next, sign in. Choose Continue with Google or Continue with your email, depending on which method you normally use. Using the same sign-in method you used before will bring up your existing chat history and settings. Once you're signed in, you can manage your privacy settings and chat history. To remove a single conversation, go to the sidebar where your recent chats are displayed. Find the chat you want to remove and hover over it. Click the three dots that appear, then select Delete. To remove multiple conversations, open your full chat history by selecting View All. Then click Select to enter selection mode. Check the boxes next to the conversations you want to remove. When you've selected the chats you want to delete, click Delete. Review your selections before confirming, then continue with the deletion. Next, adjust your privacy controls. In the bottom left corner of the sidebar, click your user profile. Your profile may display your initials or your name. From the expanded menu, choose Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Privacy tab. Look for the option labeled Help Improve Claude. If you don't want your content to be used to help improve the product, toggle this switch to off. This changes your preference for how your data is used for model development and analytics. If you've decided to stop using the service entirely, you can also remove your account. In Settings, click Account, then click Delete Account. You may see prompts explaining what account deletion means and what will be removed. Review the information shown on the screen and continue through the deletion process if you want to proceed. That's it. You've searched for the correct Claude AI site, signed in using your usual method, removed individual conversations, selected and deleted multiple chats, adjusted the Help Improve Claude privacy setting, and found the option to delete your account. You can return to the Privacy tab whenever you need to review your data sharing preference. You can also use your chat history controls to remove individual conversations or select multiple conversations for deletion. Follow these steps whenever you need to manage your Claude AI privacy settings and chat history. Thank you for watching.